Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nikhil, and this video is in continuation with the previous video of pharmaceutical legislation in India. If you haven't watched that video, the link is there in the I button. In this video, we'll be discussing two major points of pharmaceutical legislation, and that are scope of pharmaceutical legislation and second is objective of pharmaceutical legislation. So let's get started. Scope of pharmaceutical legislation in India. First scope is pharmacy business and practice of profession of pharmacy. Here, the pharmaceutical legislation is related with the legal system which regulates the conduct of pharmacy business and practice of profession of pharmacy. Then second is to those who wish to practice the pharmacy business. A thorough understanding of all the laws which are pertaining to the pharmacy is essential, and all legal aspects must be clear or satisfied by those who wish to practice the pharmacy business. Third is legal and ethical responsibility. Many a times we get confused with the ethical or legal responsibilities to take forth. But in the pharmaceutical legislation, the scope of pharmaceutical legislation helps the pharmacist to understand their legal and as well as ethical responsibility and thereby avoid the danger of unnecessary legal proceedings. Fourth is to provide drugs of good quality. The patient should get, we all know, the drugs of good quality which are tested and evaluated for the end result, that is safety and efficacy. Fifth and the major is legal aspects relating to the manufacture of drugs in pharmaceutical industries. It also covers the legal aspects which are relating to the manufacture of drugs in pharmaceutical industries, where their storage, sale and distribution and etc. has been seen. Sixth and the last is safeguarding the health of people, which is the major scope of pharmaceutical legislation. Here, the pharmaceutical legislation, it safeguards the health of people by making right medication, by controlling pharmacy business and profession. Now, it's time to move towards second point of today's video lecture, that is objectives of pharmaceutical legislation in India. So the first is to promote healthcare by regulating manufacture, its supply, its distribution by providing good quality drugs. Second is to make these drugs available to public. How? By making them reasonable and with thorough qualified person dispensing. Third is to safeguard the people from misleading and false advertisements which are relating to the drugs and magic remedies. This would be seen in the upcoming video of the chapter Drugs and Magic Remedies Act. Fourth is to regulate the profession of pharmacy, and fifth is to promote the indigenous research technologies. Here we complete the scope and objectives of pharmaceutical legislation in India. Furthermore, points would be covered in the next video lecture. So, if you like this video, do subscribe, share and like. Till then, Jai Hind.